channel. I have in fact just woken up, but today is another hair wash day. I got like a few new products. I hate when the wardrobe is open. I got a few new products, and yeah, let's get into it. Also, if you're wondering why my lips are so pink right now, I went to bed with this lip tint on, and there's still a tint. Like, how freaking cool is that? Okay, now I'm talking to y'all with like morning breath, which is disgusting. So let me go do all of that, and then I'll be back. And also, I got a new hair dryer, but I'm gonna show you that when Anyways, I'll be back. So I'll see you. What's up? So here we go. Let me untie this first. Also, here are the products I'm using. So I'm cleansing my hair cleansing day, right? Because the previous one was just a hair wash. Now it's like trying to get all the oils and stuff out. So I'm using this Aunt Jackie's Power Whatever apple cider and aloe thingy. And then here's the new conditioner I'm using from Renew. Yeah, cool. It's the new conditioner I'm using. I hope it works. Like, when I'm using a conditioner, I just need it to have that slip. I don't think I opened this. Why is it open? Anyways, whatever. It smells nice though. I need it to have slip so that when I'm like detangling my hair, I'm not, fighting for my life. So I hope it works. Yeah, let's start. I'm gonna wet my hair first and then you know the drill. So let me pause for a bit. Alright, hair is wet. Let's start. First thing. If you ask, why don't you just wash your hair in the shower? Our shower doesn't work. I think I said this already, but there was an earthquake sning like a few months ago, almost a year ago, in South Africa. And then since that earthquake, the water doesn't drain. So we just showering and the water wouldn't go down for like hours. So I don't want to stress myself. Oh my gosh, it's in my eyes. I didn't put enough on. You gotta put that shit on, man. So I'm using this first, and then I'm gonna use the other shampoo, which is lighter, just to make sure that everything is clean. I'm not gonna show it. Yeah. Let's just get into it. I was hoping this wash day would go quickly, but I woke up late. I'm tired. I'm on my period. Like, I'm just so tired. I'm exhausted, actually. What? Oh my gosh. My only issue with this thing is that it doesn't set up nicely. Like, it doesn't foam quickly. I'm fighting for my life right now. But in terms of cleansing, I feel like my hair is very clean after I use it, so that's all I really care about right now. And also, I don't believe in the leaving the strands out thing and just washing the scalp. I feel like your entire hair needs to be washed. And then just moisturize during the week, I feel. I'm using this just to rub it into my scalp. Washing it out now. Oh gosh. Oily water coming out. Yay. I'm kidding. It's not that deep. Okay, now the second wash with the other shampoo. Okay, now let's read the instructions. Towel dry hair, then massage a small amount into hair from root to tip. Leave for 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly with clean water. Cool. That's not gonna happen in 2 minutes because I have to detangle. So, but I did. It's damp. It's not wet hair. It's damp. So that's enough drying. I don't care actually. I do not care. What? Oh, is it too high now? How am I gonna do this? There it is. Alright, that works. Oh, my sweet girl. Okay. Open. Okay. This is a small amount. This is small. I didn't buy the shampoo because the other shampoo I have is a lot already. And the only thing that seems to finish quickly with me is the conditioner because I'm actually using it. So yeah. It does say conditioner, right? Granted it's backwards, but it says conditioner. Because it's making shampoo sounds right now. Okay. We're testing to see the slip, right? Okay. Stop. Why doesn't it feel? Why it don't feel good? I don't like how it feels already. Okay, finger detangle. It does not feel nice. Oh no, I bought this big one. That's why I was like, let me use it in between uses of the other one, so I know if I like it or not, and I'll repurchase. I don't think I'm gonna. Oh wait. Okay, maybe I touched it too early. Oh, maybe I touched it too early. Okay. Yeah, my hair wasn't fully saturated. Now let's comb it out. Okay. Okay. You know what? It's not bad. It's not bad. Obviously, we'll see the actual value of it as the week goes on. But otherwise, for now. Okay. That's nice. I like it. It's nice. I like it. Okay. Sorry. Now let me go. Bye. Okay, we're at the last section now. Just gonna add like the tiniest bit more. I haven't been adding to everything in the last section, but this one has been setting, so you see, like the conditioner is actually really good. I'm really quite impressed with it. I'm also not being rough with my hair. I'm just like, okay, there. See, not is it better? Coming out a lot easier. Okay. Just gonna keep doing that. I can't help this is my favorite part. Yeah, you see how nicely it's going through. This is what I like. Okay, I am quite happy with my purchase. Oh, look at that. I'm quite happy with my purchase. So, which means I'm gonna get its corresponding shampoo then. When the other shampoo runs out, I'm gonna get this Renew conditioners corresponding shampoo, because this is looking good, but also, like I said, the true proof of what a good product is how the hair, not the health of the hair after the wash. So I like how it's doing what with the wash, but like we'll have to see after the wash how good my hair is, and that's obviously gonna take like a month or so, because I only wash my hair like every 2 weeks. So this fall, it's a nice product. I like it. Okay, it's just time to wash it out. It's time to wash it out. Hey, in terms of hair loss, it's 2 weeks of not combing my hair. By the way, the others won't come out. There's still hair in here. In terms of hair loss, this is not bad for 2 weeks. And it's like just about how much I lose every time I wash my hair. So, okay, with the conditioner out. Very good. Very good, very nice. My hair routine has been very good. Okay, it's time to wash my hair now. So you've seen how I do that. Let me just get to it. Wait, if I do like this, will you see me? Gosh, I'm too far either way. Okay, you've seen how I did, so see you when I blow dry my hair. My hands are freezing. It's freaking winter now. Hi. Here's my new blow dryer I'm gonna use now. Okay, let's open it. I have already opened it, by the way, so I know what's in here. I'm so happy. Okay, so there's a diffuser. I'm not using that. There's one brush attachment. I'm gonna use both of them just to see which one works. Here's the first brush attachment. Cool. And here's the other one. These bristles are very hard. I hope it doesn't fuck up my hair. I'm gonna use both of shit. I'm gonna use both of them. And then here's the thing. Rods? Oh, there's only two. There's only two settings. What? There's 1 and 2 fella, and there's like different fans. So okay, so airspeed. There's airspeed and heat selector. So there's low, medium, and high. Awesome, cool. High is 2, medium is 1, and then low is the star. I don't think are you guys gonna be able to see it, the star here, like right at the bottom. This is low. So if I turn this on, which means this will be on regardless. I got you. Should we start? Let me prep my hair first. Where's this thing? Okay, let me prep my hair. You almost know. You know. It's native child. This thing is so bright. There we go. Native child. You must know. And then also curls and dun. Alright. I'm eating a sweet right now because my blood sugar is so low. I feel like I'm gonna faint. And just gonna haphazardly just throw this on. Okay. There's very small things. My hair is still damp, obviously. Okay. Okay. It's this kind of plug, by the way. So, yeah. Oh, I didn't tell you how much it was. Was it $3.20 from Clicks? I've been eyeing it for months now. Like, actually, I've been eyeing it since last year. I was like, but I don't blow dry my hair that often. And I'm like, but when I blow dry my hair, I want it to be easy. So this Saturday after swim class, I just bit the bullet and was like, you know what, let me just go get it. I want to be irresponsible with my money today. So that's what I did. Oh, girl. Okay, yeah. Let me start with this one, with this attachment. So you see, you align it with the arrows. I guess you click it into place. Am I supposed to click it? Nope. There's a button back here. Oh, there's buttons. Okay. There's buttons back here. You click it and then you release the buttons. Did you guys see that? Let me do it again. Click to unlock, and then the buttons. Click it and then release the buttons and they stuck on. Okay. Love to see it. I'm gonna start with the one at the back. Right. Hold on. Yeah, I'm sitting on something important. Am I sitting on it? Oh, here it is. But onto, like, oh, look at how nice my hair is, though. I'm not gonna get into the habit of brushing my hair, of like blow drying my hair after every wash day. This is just and then going to detangle again with this wide tooth comb so that it's a bit easier to comb through. Right. I'm using the brush, the roller brush attachment first, and then we're gonna go on to the other attachment on the other side, see the difference, and then I'm gonna choose from there which one I like. So let's start. Low heat, wait, low, and then should I put it at 1? Let me put it at 1. Okay. Okay, let me pick up the fan a bit more. Ooh, it's hot. Hot. Okay, yeah, no, I'm putting it down. Excuse me. It's hot and scary. Ooh, doing some. It is doing some. Yay, love to see that. The bristles are freaking short though. I think that's what I'm having an issue with. The bristles are short. Okay, off. It is doing something. Okay, still have to blow dry some more because it's not dry. I think I need to move this hair out of the way, like the other hairs that are just hearing. Did you guys even hear me over that noise? Okay, I just pinned it down, like pinned it up. I pinned it up, and then yeah, let's get back to it. Yeah, fan back on the medium heat. You know what? It's actually doing such a marvelous job. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, this is really good. Look, it's dry and it's blown out. You guys, I'm so happy. Okay, this was the first. And the hair pulled out. Didn't pull out a hair. Like, wow. Okay, and then the other side, we're gonna use the other attachment. Let's detach you, Chomi. Detach yourself, my friend. Ah, oh yeah, she's a cock. Sorry. Now we're using this detachment on the other side. Yeah, wanna click. You line it up. We are ngenisa. You unclick. There, it's stuck on. Right. Okay, now I'm doing it on this side. Yeah, Yasmus. Okay. Oh. On this side. Then we choose what attachment we're gonna use henceforth for the rest of the hair. My heat protectant. Okay. Cool. And we brush it in. Right. So we don't want it to go through, and we don't want any tangles while we're brushing. I'm still gonna be careful, Avi, but I don't want it to be tangled and shit. Ay. Yeah, come. Yeah. It's not going in. Oh no. I just want it out of the way, girl. Girl, get out of the way, girl. It's not getting out of the way. Whatever, girl. We're back. Go on. Okay. We grab the piece and then oh. I don't like how this one's doing already. Also, I'm scared. So, okay, there we go. Oh. Yeah, I don't like this attachment. I just have to be gentle. I don't like this attachment. I don't like it. Oh no. No. Let's go back to the other attachment. I don't like this one. No. Like, it's pulling out so much hair because of the like bubbles at the end. I don't like this one. Get out. You've disappointed me for the last time. You come back. When am I staring this one. Okay. Y'all are gonna say to give it a chance. And I did it because this is my hair. I don't damage my hair. What? Ow. Okay. Oh, girl, this camera is gonna irritate me. Oh, I tied this part back now, like, so I want it out of the way. Now I'm just starting in the front, and then the middle and front sections are gonna be difficult. We all know that, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep using this attachment because I'm scared of the other one. I need a bit of bravery to go to that one, or I can use this one to blow out and then this one to just finish everything off when I'm done. Should I do that? I want to do that and see if it's actually better. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you guys in probably 30 to 40 minutes. Bye. It is in fact the final part. Oh my gosh, I'm over this. I'm in pain. I'm over it. I am. Getting to the root is actually really hard. I'm not even gonna hold you. It was a lot flowy last time. Maybe because I haven't tied it up. I should find it out. Hey, shy. Okay. Oh, it is. Pinch. My arms hurt. Oh, Aisha. I am tired. I need to eat. I think I just gave birth to a big ass piece of meat. Like, I just need to be done with this actually. I've had enough. I have in fact had enough. Alright. Alright. Okay. Let's put this one down. Oh no. I have blow dried hair. And I'm stuck now. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, first of all, alright. I opened it so nicely the other time. Okay. So it didn't blow dry the way it did when I was doing it with the other thing. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I like it. Should I take it back? I don't know, man. You know what? I'm just gonna put it up in a bun. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it up. Because clearly it's being open. Oh, hold on. Hold on. We're doing something. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I like it. It's not giving like it was last time. Yep. I'm just putting it up in the bun. I've had enough. I don't want to look at my hair anymore. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Where's my hair tie first of all? Okay. Nope, no half up, no half down. Just put it all up and get it out of my face before I cut it off. Oh, I'm gonna cut it all off. I have to look at it one more time. For a minute longer, I will cut it all off. Okay. Oh, and I'm sweating. It's hot. I don't like it. I don't like anything right now. Oh my god. Go up there. Oh, okay. This is good. This is good enough. Yeah, I don't have to do it. Because I've had enough. I don't want to see my hair anymore. Okay. Okay, there we go. Ooh, chill. Tiny little bun, but I don't care. As long as it's not on my face, I don't care. Okay. You know what? It'll have to do. Me not care. Me not care. I don't care. Yeah, this is not gonna last. I'm gonna do something with my hair because you know what? I don't like it. This is because I was impatient. It's not because the thing is bad. I just don't like it. I don't like my hair today. But I might like it the next time I do it. Anyways, bye guys. I've had enough. I need to eat. Bye. That is not a way we close out a video. I'm so sorry. My boobs are sweating. Okay, thanks for watching. I guess it started out so positive and then it ended like this. I don't know what's good with me. I know exactly what's good with me. Anyways, bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment and share. We'll get better with the hair eventually. I'm just I don't care to make it nice this time around. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry now. My period is eating me alive now. So I'm so sorry. It wasn't the best video, but I appreciate you watching. See you next time. Okay, I'm figuring out what issue I'm having with this one is with this blowout is it's not as, I don't know, blown out as the other one I did last month, whenever the hell I did it. It's not the same. I'm using new tools though, so I just need to get used to those tools. And you see the curls are curling a lot quicker than the other time, but whatever, it's okay. It's a learning not to curve. That's all. I just need to learn my tools and my hair, so it's fine. It's okay. I hate when the wardrobe was open. It's okay. I just need to have a little grace with myself. But anyways, Now this is the actual ending. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Look at this shit. What a uniquely South African warning. Sorry. Can you see it? Like, it says to avoid possible. Ooh, I can't read anymore. What the hell? To avoid possible surges on your supply due to load shedding, always unplug when not in use. And we are voting this Wednesday. Yay! Load shedding is coming back. Bye.